How to fix Instagram feedback required login error in iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Heading towards the first solution, open your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, head towards the option general, open it. Now go to the option iPhone storage. From here, find the app Instagram and open it. Now over here you will find this option of upload app. Tap on it. Tap on upload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store. After you upload the app, you will get this option of Reinstall app. Tap on it. After you complete this process, you can open your Instagram and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards the next solution, you have to open your Instagram app. Now you have to select this option of forgotten password. Now here type in your username or email address and then tap on the option of find account. Now you will be receiving mail from the Instagram support. You have to close this and open your mail. At the very top you can see that Instagram has sent me the mail. You will also receive this kind of mail. You have to open it. Now you can tap on the option of login or you can reset your password. And with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can fix Instagram feedback required login error in iPhone. This was all for this video. Applying these processes, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.